The following is a station editorial.
This is Holland Redfield. The primary function of any government, including the Virgin Islands government, is the protection of life and property. The U.S. Constitution was crafted to protect those who are being protected from the potential of overbearing police powers. This is truly a balancing act, which from time to time has been tested by many law enforcement agencies throughout the United States and its territories, and has gone all the way to the U.S. Supreme Court. No police department, including the Virgin Islands Police Department, is immune from these challenges, as demonstrated by a consent decree, which has been recently entered into and is poised to be finalized in the U.S. District Court. When the DeYoung administration assumed office, and with the appointment of the Attorney General and the Police Commissioner, they hit the ground running, cleaning up shortcomings in our law enforcement system, which has been going on for decades. The consent decree is very specific in 4 basic areas: training, and the department has put in place a former FBI agent with years of experience to head up this vital function; disciplinary procedures, rules and policies, and most importantly, the use of force policies. The commissioner has upgraded his Internal Affairs Division and put in charge a lawyer with more than 20 years of experience as a police officer to head up the Internal Affairs Division with the task of bringing the department into compliance. It is only through clear-cut guidelines, policies, and procedures that an officer can be confident that they understand their limitations in carrying out their primary mission of the enforcing of laws of the Virgin Islands, without violating the fundamental constitutional rights of its citizenry. We note that there always is a healthy tension between internal affairs and the rank and file of any police department. When evaluating an officer's actions, we also recognize that the oversight should be fair and just, and must be evaluated based on the circumstances, particularly as it relates to the use of force, as these officers are constantly putting their lives on the line when confronting life-threatening situations. These procedural upgrades are truly a monumental challenge and should be welcomed by rank-and-file police officers. The decree provides guidelines for improving professionalism, which should be the goal of all police officers who have chosen to be in this honorable profession, and which should in no way be interpreted as a rebuke of them as individuals or the department collectively. It is called professional standards, a goal that any police department should strive to attain. We see that the Virgin Islands Police Department has come a long way. It has become proactive, and it is pushing back against the criminal element in the territory. We see the commissioner bringing new officers into the territory. We see the local implementation of Crime Stoppers, a proven national program with successes leading to arrests. And we see the department's arrest rate on the upswing. We all have to remember laws and procedures and policies are only as strong as the enforcement behind them. And remember, we as residents also have a responsibility. That is to give any information that we know that could lead to the arrest of the perpetrators of these crimes in this community.
Please email your comments to our editorial department. Our email address is editorial@viradio.com. Please include your name and other contact information.